The Centenary Scholarship is essentially our most comprehensive scholarship that we have. And what it does is it offers 10 high potential boys from previously disadvantaged communities an opportunity to complete their high school career from remove, grade 8, all the way until matric on 100% scholarship. It's quite a rigorous recruitment process. So the boys are invited to write a series of entrance exams, but then on top of that, they do a psychometric assessment. We interview the boys, we interview the parents as well, in order to assess if they are the right sort of candidate for the scholarship. And then we select our top 10 candidates, oftentimes from over 100 applications. It's quite a lengthy and drawn out process, and quite an emotional one as well, because for many parents, this really represents that one opportunity to really get their child to achieve at their highest potential. The Centenary Scholarship is 100% scholarship. That means that all the academic needs and even extramural needs of the boys are taken care of by the school. From stationery to textbooks, uniform, sports tours, whatever it is that you can think of that these boys will need, they will get that on this program at no charge to their parents. So it's a huge scholarship. When you start seeing a young man who shows so much potential and you realize that you can give this young man that platform to launch themselves and become, something great in future, it's hugely rewarding.
The Centenary Programme makes an incredible impact on a one student by one student basis. It is also a place where a small amount can make a really big difference. If 100 people give 80 Rand a month, that is enough to put a scholar through the Centenary Programme every year. So it is our goal to get every one of the 50 Centenary Scholars fully donor funded. Please get hold of us. We would love to talk to you about how you can get involved.